Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to turn on the dark mode on Pinterest. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you're using Pinterest at night or prefer a darker theme, you can set your Pinterest to dark mode. In order to do so, start by tapping open your Pinterest application. Note that the dark mode is only available for mobile phones and tablets right now. After you tap open your Pinterest and sign into your account from your home screen, go to the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you go and hit your profile, tap on the settings button at the upper right from your profile. From the settings menu, tap on account settings. Scroll all the way down and under account settings, tap on app theme and you'll be able to choose a theme from system default, light and dark. To turn on the dark mode, tap on the dark option from the expanded menu and you can see your Pinterest account turn into dark mode. Doing this will help you use your Pinterest at night, which will make it easier for your eyes. And I can see that the darker theme is a lot more stylish on Pinterest as well. That is how you can easily turn on the dark mode on your Pinterest application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.